Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Maths Tube. Let us solve two word problems today. First problem number 1. Laura and Lena went for a lunch. Lena ordered 3 dishes which costed $29, $16 and $9. They paid the bill equally. How much did Laura pay? Total bill for the lunch is the sum of $29 plus 16 plus 9, which gives us $54. Bill paid by each of the two persons is, we have to divide this amount by 2 because there are two persons here. So 54 divided by 2 is $27. So this is the amount each person needs to pay for the bill. So how much did Laura pay? The result is Laura paid $27 for the bill. This is the end of problem number 1. Now we'll go to the problem number 2. Problem number 2. In a bakery, cupcakes cost $4 each, while muffins cost $5 each. How much more do 6 muffins cost than 7 cupcakes? So 7 cupcakes cost a total of $4 times 7 because each cupcakes cost $4. So 4 times 7 is $28. And 6 muffins cost a total of $5 times 6 because each muffins costs $5. So 6 muffins cost a total of 5 times 6 is $30. So the amount of money 6 muffins costed more than 7 cupcakes are $30 minus $28, which gives us the amount $2. So this is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching this video. We'll do some more problems in the next video. Thank you.